lovely people, Erin here. Welcome back to the Impatient DIYer. Today I am just bringing you a quick little decor video. I wanted to redo something that I had done in the past for a Pinterest inspired video to really more match what I'm feeling for the spring, summer, transitional decor thing that I got going on, which is really just navy and white. I like navy and white. I don't like nautical, but I like navy and white. It makes me happy. Anything blue makes me happy. So if navy and white makes you happy, if you like it but don't like nautical, feel free to stick around. And I hope that you guys like what I put together. If you do, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay. Jumping right into this, you're going to need a set of tumbling tower blocks, some paintbrushes. I got this navy Craft Smart paint, probably from Michael's. I picked up a couple of them because I love navy. And we're going to just jump right into it. So we're going to just be painting the outsides of the tumbling tower in the navy. And I ended up only doing one coat of this just because I liked how it looked. But if you don't want the wood grain to show through, then you're going to want to do a couple of coats. I obviously had a paintbrush problem. I always have a paintbrush problem, guys. I can never decide what paintbrush I want to use. And I had a love-hate relationship with this particular paintbrush the entire time because like it paints really well, but I also use this paintbrush to do my acid etching on glasses and things like that. So I think the acid has kind of killed the paintbrush a little bit and the bristles fall out like crazy on this thing. So I should probably just get another set at this point, but I have not. So here we are, just battling it out with the paintbrush this whole time. But yeah, like I said, I just did the outsides of each of these tumbling tower blocks and then just kind of set them out like an army to dry. And now we're going to get this white Adirondack paint and we're going to do the ends of each of the blocks. Now, I wanted to do this with the white Adirondack seat. There I go. Again, can't decide on a paintbrush. This one ended up working out very well because it's tiny, but yeah, couldn't decide. But I wanted to use the white chalk paint on this one just because it dries quickly. You could really use any white paint to do this. And once again, I just did one coat on this. It actually covered pretty well because some of them did have some blue that got on the ends. And the white just went over it really well. Once I finished all of these, I realized that I just like forgot to do like 6 to 10 of them. I just didn't do the other end of it for some reason, and it was really quick to go back and finish that, so it's not really something that I would worry about. And by the time I finished painting all of these, the first ones were dry, so I was able to just go right on to the next step. It was just a really great process. The blue I did let dry overnight just to make sure that it was completely dry, which is so not me, guys. I never let anything dry overnight. Maybe I was just really tired. But you know, I normally get my my heat gun out to dry all of these. So yeah, but this, it dries so quickly. I love it. So once all of those are done, they look all pretty, and I just love white and navy together. I really do. So you're going to take 6 blocks, and I tried to put like the prettier painted sides on the outside because some of the white did kind of go over a little bit. So I just put the ugly sides down, put the prettier white side painted side out, and it worked. And you want to display it like this, and there you can see I'm showing you want them to be evenly spaced like a cross. So they're all going to be like, they all have a mate, I guess, is kind of how I think about it. And once you finish the first one, you're going to overlap with the second row the same exact way so that each of them has a mate. And then I'm going to be using this hot glue gun that I just got. It's actually a bridal shower present, which is really cool. The people in my life know me that well that they got me a new hot glue gun for my wedding. I don't think my fiance will ever use it. I don't know if he'll be allowed to use it, but that's okay. I like this one because it's precision. It does a small dab of hot glue, which is exactly what I want because I don't want any of this hot glue showing. The last time I did this, I did bigger dabs of hot glue and it just kind of went everywhere. And is my camera swinging? Let me know down below. Yeah, it is. My camera's swinging. Ooh, I don't know why it's doing that. That's kind of strange. Sorry about that, guys. Oh man. But like I said, you just want to keep putting tiny dabs of hot glue, one on either end of the layer below. And then as you're going, I do the pairs across from each other, kind of so that everything is still in line. And I felt like this worked out really, really well for me. But it doesn't have to be particularly precise because in the end, it's still gonna look really cool. So this is how the first layer looks. I really like how the white and the navy look together. I don't think it's a terribly like nautical looking thing or anything like that. I really just think that it's just like a super classy look to me. And I think it's really, really great for moving into summer. You can still use this for any of your spring things, but I think it does have like a really, really good summery feel because people tend to associate it with a nautical look. I have a tendency to use the colors of a nautical look without actually going nautical. I don't know how that happened in my life, but hey. So this is what it looks like stylized on my shelf, and I got this candle, which is actually something that came out of one of my table things for my wedding, and I absolutely love how it looks. That is that for those two little decor tutorials. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you guys next time. Bye for now.